on a demonstration really of Scale Illuminator and also the create layout things and how you can use alternative layouts, a little bit of a show around those as well. So I've got my alpha set up here. It's this is on key group 1 and it's basically just showing some tonic lights. I've already installed Scale Illuminator, used the demo scripts to do that. So initially you'll see that obviously all we can actually see at the moment is just the tonic lights. If I first of all go over to Eigen Commander over here, I can actually now set up the reference scale because I'd like to actually show major scales so that I can show you what's going on with the different layouts. Now first, just one small point, I actually call my illuminators just Illuminator rather than Scale Illuminator as the demo does. That's just so I have less typing. So you'll have to put here Scale Illuminator 1 rather than just Illuminator 1. Okay, so first of all we just need to tell it to set the scale to reference scale and we want to scale to major set. Okay, now we get some more lights and we can see that obviously we're in the standard layout here where we've got the simple scale. And then the key thing to note as well, of course, is that it goes down, etc., etc. So that's all very well and good. You can see this. We can obviously set scales in Scale Illuminator to other things as well. So we could set it, for example, to the blue scale. Oh, obviously I have the key group set up as chromatic scale, NC. So we can set it to the blue scale, and then obviously we can actually see that suddenly all the lights change and we get etc. So that's quite easy. We can obviously also change the tonics as well. So for example, I could set the tonic here to set tonic to node, for example F. And again, now we can actually see that the tonics have moved. Let's set it back, okay, because I don't want to do too much on Scale Illuminator. But you can see actually it's very easy to change all the lights. Now the key point to note is of course that is the scale patterns here. So essentially what I look for here is just, we've got obviously the green tonic and then we've got the red. Sorry, we're in non-inversion mode. So we're in inverted mode. So what that means is that actually we're seeing the red is basically showing those notes that are not in the scale. You can change it to non-inverted mode if you wish, and then it will show you the scales in the notes rather in the scale. And we just set inverted toggle set. We can see we now have green lights which show us the notes that are in the scale, and then the red lights are showing the tonics just because we obviously want a difference. So I'm going to set it back because I actually find this mode easier to use.